Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your analytics data with Google Analytics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your analytics data in Google Analytics, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Once logged in, select the property you want to manage. Navigate to the admin section, which is located at the bottom left corner of the page. In the admin section, you'll see three columns labeled Account, Property, and View. In the Property column, click on Property Settings. Scroll down to find the section labeled Data Retention. Set your data retention preferences according to your data protection policy. Next, go back to the admin section and select Data Sharing Settings. Review the options available for data sharing and customize them to limit data exposure. Now, return to the admin section and click on User Management. Here, you can manage user permissions for your analytics data. Remove any users who no longer need access to your data. For users that require access, ensure their permissions are limited based on their roles. Next, enable IP anonymization by navigating to Tracking Info and selecting Data Collection. This ensures that user IP addresses are anonymized for enhanced privacy protection. It's also crucial to review your cookies and make sure you comply with GDPR and CCPA regulations. If you haven't yet implemented a cookie consent banner, set one up to inform users about data collection. Consider setting up alerts for unusual activity in your analytics. Navigate to Customization and then Custom Alerts. Set criteria for alerts to help monitor your analytics data effectively. Finally, regularly review your Google Analytics settings to stay updated on any policy changes or new features. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the protection of your analytics data in Google Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.